bench today is a Batso Tranz X battery. Not one. Two of them. Let's concentrate on one at a time. Let's have a look around. I see a label on that. I did. That's just a do not. There you go, lithium-ion 36 volts, 11 amp hour. I've done preliminary. I've done some initial work on this. This is just charging them, and they both charge up to about 41 volts. And I've done a low current discharge test. See the label on there. So this came up to 8 amp hours at 2.5 amp discharge. It's the maximum that the work equipment will allow. This one came up to 10 amp hours. Let's have a quick look around the battery, see if it's the same as yours. Charging port. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. And a very strange discharge port. 5 pins. There's only 4 used. I believe there's some intelligence on this. It says I2C there somewhere. There. So there's communication between this and the controller, which probably makes changing the BMS impossible. It may make replacing the cells impossible too. Let's see, what shall I discharge this at? Let's assume it's a 250 watt motor, 40 volts. 7 amps will give me 280 watts. I think I should really go for 10. Let's see. Ooh. That gets out. Didn't like about 9 amps at all. Put it back into the lower setting. Let's try running it on. Let's try running it on 7 amps. Didn't like 10 certainly. So it's okay on 7. I'm going to try for 10 again. Nope. The original complaint on at least one of these batteries, if not both, was that they cut out abruptly without warning. Maybe that's why I'm going uphill and pulling too many amps. I put the clock there, it's wakey wakey. 21:53 at the moment. Let's see if it runs for a few minutes. This clock meter is a pain in the ass. It's a power saving feature and it shuts off every 10 minutes whether you're using it or not. Wakey wakey clock. It's been running for what, 12 minutes. That's good enough, I think. I'll run the same test again, this time with the 10 amp hour. I can't believe that these BMSs are designed to shut off at 10 amps. But then again, that probably will give it 400 watts at full voltage. Let's try this one, see if it performs the same. Let me aim for the same 10 amp. It does. Let's cut out again. So that must be a feature, not a fault. Let's go for 7. Same 10 minutes. Wiki. Cool. The voltage on this hasn't dropped as much as on the other battery after the same length of time. That's why it's got a greater capacity. If anyone knows more than me about these Tranz X smart BMSs, let me know whether this is a beep, yeah, 10 minutes. Yeah. Just let me know whether this is a fault or a feature of this BMS. That's probably why this battery pack keeps cutting out anything over about 280 watts, and the very smart BMS says no more. Now, seeing as that voltage has dropped, I'm going to have another go at about 10 amps. See if it works on amperage or wattage. Yeah, amperage. It's gone again. And in conclusion, if you know anything about these Tranz X batteries or the smart or very smart BMS, or even if you don't, leave me a comment. And we all know that the sun never shines in Wales, always cloud, so I have to take some vitamin supplements. Mine's a vitamin K.